Today, I will share with you the Epson nozzle film technology. The first step of nozzle film coating, separate the nozzle from the bottom membrane. Many bloggers share methods with relatively high risks, accidentally damaging the ceramic body beneath the membrane. Today, we will teach you how to separate nozzle membranes without damage. First, prepare a hot air gun. Just adjust the speed of the hot air gun to the minimum. Adjust the temperature of the hot air gun to between 350 degrees and 400 degrees. Then take out a razor blade. Why choose razor blades? This type of blade is sharp and thin. It can reduce damage to the bottom film of the nozzle. Separate the membrane through this operation method. The separated film has a very good effect for secondary film application. Now let me give you a practical operation. First, use a hot air gun to heat the bottom of the nozzle. Soften the colloid, then start heating from one corner. Insert the blade into it. Slowly advance forward. Don't continue pushing when you can't move. Take out the hot air gun again for heating. After heating up, continue pushing the blade forward. The main purpose of doing this is to soften the glue. Repeat this step continuously, so our membrane separates out. Everyone can take a look at this membrane. The overall effect is very good. It can be said that it has been disassembled without damage. If this membrane is good, then it can be used for secondary film application. No need to replace the membrane with a new one. Everyone can take a look at the bottom of this nozzle. It also did not damage the ceramic crystal at the bottom of the nozzle. That's all for this video. The next video will bring you the second step of teaching. In the previous video, we explained the first step of repairing Epson nozzle film. That is to say, the separation between the nozzle and the bottom membrane. Let me show you all a state after the separation of the nozzle membrane. What we need to do next is remove the layer of adhesive on the surface of the nozzle. Only by removing the adhesive on the surface first, only then can we reapply the glue. How can I remove the adhesive on the surface of Epson nozzles? There are two ways. One is to use a blade. Scrape the adhesive on the surface of the nozzle with a blade. This is physical removal. Now let me demonstrate it to everyone. It's actually quite simple. Just gently scrape with a blade. Just scrape it off like this. However, this method has its drawbacks. It will damage the ceramic crystal at the bottom of the nozzle, and it's also very time-consuming. Now we all use a liquid to remove glue. Ordinary potions on the market are not effective. We need to use our specialized potion. Now the cotton swab in my hand has been coated with this potion. Apply evenly on the surface of the nozzle. Don't get it into the ink path when applying it to the ground. Stay still for a period of time. Let it evaporate fully. Everyone can take a look at this nozzle. The glue on the surface of the nozzle has slowly peeled off. We take out a clean cotton swab to wipe the surface of the nozzle. Then clean the nozzle once. Now this nozzle has been cleaned thoroughly. You can leave it to air dry naturally. It can also be dried using instruments. Next, we can replace the membrane with a new one. Previously, we explained the separation of nozzle membranes and how to remove the glue at the bottom of the nozzle. After completing all the steps above, we need to reapply glue to the nozzle. This is the most important step in the entire process. In this video, I will demonstrate how to operate it for everyone. The tools in the video are all what we need to use. A sheet of silicone oil paper is placed on the desktop. Measuring cup is used to hold glue. A mixing stick is used to stir the glue. This roller is also the most important tool, something that is easy to buy in the market and very cheap. Now we have mixed this glue together. It's probably like this. Apply glue onto silicone oil paper, then take out this roller and smooth out the glue. Rolling back and forth, make the glue on the roller thinner. Scroll a few more times. That's about it. Then apply it to the bottom of the Epson nozzle. Now this is the nozzle we have glued on. Everyone can take a look at the image under the microscope. The application is very uniform. The thickness is also very suitable. Stay still for about 10 minutes. You can reapply the film to the nozzle.